Clean living. Mastering pet area cleanup in English. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to delve into the world of our furry friends and their spaces. Today's topic is cleaning pet areas. Keeping our pets' areas clean is a crucial part of pet care. We'll explore various English terms related to this activity, and, by the end, you'll have an array of vocabulary at your disposal. First, let's build up our vocabulary. Here are some important words related to cleaning pet areas. Cage. This is a confined area where some pets like birds, hamsters, and rabbits live. Litter box. A box filled with litter where cats do their business. Aquarium. A transparent tank of water where we keep fishes or other water-dwelling pets. Pet bed. A comfortable space for pets to sleep. Feeding area. Where your pet eats its meals. Toys. Pets have these for play and stimulation. Clean. To remove dirt and mess. It's always a good idea to get familiar with these words as they are the foundation of our discussion. Now that we know our key words, let's put them into action with some verbs. These are actions that we frequently perform while cleaning pet areas. Washing. This usually involves water and soap. We wash pet beds, toys, and feeding areas. Sweeping. We often sweep cages or around feeding areas to remove loose dirt or food. Scrubbing. A vigorous cleaning process, often used for aquariums and cages. Emptying and replacing. This is mostly related to litter boxes. We empty the old litter and replace it with new. Here's how we can use these verbs in sentences. 1. I'm washing the pet bed. 2. He is sweeping around the bird cage. 3. She is scrubbing the aquarium. 4. They're emptying and replacing the litter box. Great job on those sentences. Now let's learn some common phrases related to cleaning pet areas. 1. Clean up after your pet. This means you should clean the mess made by your pet. 2. Spot cleaning. This refers to cleaning only certain, often messier, parts of the pet area. 3. Deep clean. This means thoroughly cleaning a pet area. Here are these phrases in sentences. 1. It's important to clean up after your pet to maintain a clean house. 2. I do spot cleaning of the cage every day. 3. Once a month, I deep clean the aquarium. And there you have it. With this newfound vocabulary and phrases, you're all set to talk about cleaning pet areas in English. Remember, practicing using these terms in your everyday conversations will help you master them faster. Happy learning and happy pet caring. See you in the next video.